Hi, good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, 6th of October 2020, and the time now is 3:10 in the afternoon. So I just finished concreting on last lift of boundary wall. So I'm so happy because I finished this already. So after 3 days, I'm going to remove this and then backfill, put topsoil on this area here. Yeah, thank you so much, and yeah, I'm happy with what I've done today. I'm just waiting the concrete to set or to cure before I can do the final finishing. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to do the stormwater channel laying out, or maybe I can do it today if I have enough time. Yeah, I have to check the other side of this boundary wall. So what's the status? So I can rectify whatever things needs to be done. Alright, so I'm going to other side of this wall inside my son's house. I have to investigate what needs to be done. Alright, just stay with me and we go. So this beautiful cherry blossom. So that's our cherry blossom on the other side. These are our neighbors here. I have to close this door or gate. I need to check what needs to be done on this side here. So maybe let's see. As you can see, there's a gap over there. So I need to rectify those. Okay, so first I need to remove this. I need to fill that gap there. So I'm using 11 liters builder's mix and 1.1 liters of cement and 2 liters of water. So the volume is not 11 liters. So when you calculate the volume of concrete, you need to add 30% of that volume to get the right quantity. Because builder's mix, when you mix it with water, it shrinks. So that's why the volume changes. That's why you need to add at least 30% of that volume. So say the volume is 10 liters, you need to 30%, so it becomes 13 liters. That's how calculate the actual volume required. I need to remove these nails so that I can do the finishing. So this is just temporary, because when the fresh concrete flowing, it flows uncontrollable. So that's why, see, so there's a lot of gap. So I need to mix small quantity of builders mix to fill these gaps here. A small scoop of alright, so I'll turn this video off so I can prepare the small quantity of concrete mix for this small gap. Alright, thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah, I know some people say, how come it takes a while to finish this small area? Yeah, just like what I said yesterday or previously. So there's a lot of details involved on this particular area, especially for the subsoil drain installation. This is the subsoil drain on this side here. So, and also because we need to wait for at least 2 days or 3 days before removing the formworks. Yeah, it adds with a delay. Like this one here, I poured this partition yesterday, so I will remove the forms, the inner form, at least tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, to be able to get required strength. Otherwise it will end up with that corner there, it chips up. I need to repair it next time, so that what happens if you remove the formworks early without achieving the curing period. So that's a way of method of concrete construction. You need to wait till the concrete achieves the minimum strength. Alright, thank you so much, and sorry for the delay, but progressively we'll get there. Okay, thank you so much, and for your time. God bless you. Please be safe, and bye for now. We have a beautiful weather now in Auckland. A bright sunny day. Bye. Please be safe. Bye for now.